If your daughter has started her first period, the amount of information that she still needs to learn and understand is out there. One of the important points for her to know is that many girls will have their first period and then it'll be some months later before they have the next one. It takes a little time for the whole system to get coordinated. Other girls start right out and never miss a month. So prepare her for the possibility that she might skip a few months here and there in the beginning. The second important lesson for her to be learning now that she's having her period is that her period is not going to come on the same day every month. Most girls have about a 28-day cycle. And so the date of the month that her period will start is going to fluctuate month to month. I would suggest you help her locate an app. There are several great apps out there now where she can enter her menstrual cycle information and the app will let her know what is coming next. They're not perfect because the body doesn't always ovulate on the same day, and so the whole cycle gets moved around a little bit, a day or two from time to time. But it will at least give her an idea of what's coming. The third thing is probably she started her period using a pad. I always recommend that to begin to get organized with the feminine hygiene part of a menstrual period. But very quickly, she's going to realize that it's limiting, the pad is limiting if she's involved in sports or dance or wants to swim during her period. So I would suggest that you help her learn how to purchase and use a tampon. Now, if you're like a lot of moms I know, and like even myself, no one showed me how to do this, and it was very frightening to think about. But young girls today are all using tampons because it just facilitates a more free lifestyle for them. If you are not sure how to explain this to her, in my book, I'm a Girl Hormones, I devoted a couple pages with illustrations to help explain how to insert a tampon and the things to look for. I mean, the girls are always afraid that it's going to go inside the vagina and get lost somewhere. That's not going to happen. I encourage them to make sure if they feel any discomfort that means that the tampon's not inserted far enough. Explain how to use the little cord to remove the tampon. All of that is in my book. But any information that you can give her about the use of a tampon will be so helpful for her as she continues month by month to get used to the feminine hygiene aspect of a menstrual period. I'm Dr. M with Anatomy for Kids.